Hello lovely family, I am so excited to show you my air fried zucchini fries. Sit back, relax and watch to the end, and let's enjoy these amazing zucchini fries together. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you are still watching, I hope you give this air fried zucchini fries a try. This air fried zucchini is cripsy on the outside and moist on the inside. Thank you so much for watching once again. I hope you do subscribe for more weekly healthy recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.